Hi everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It's look amazing. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a new slide. In the new slide we format the background and insert a picture and then apply it to all. We do that in the before, and then we need to create the shape we created in the previous slide. How to create that shape? For that we create a rectangle. It's needed to create a rectangle. After creating the rectangle, we need to align it center. Okay, it's good. Then we insert a circle, and then the circle we align it center. But you see the circle is not giving us the shape we want. Why? Because it needs to be bigger in the size. It's good now. Let me just tighten it up. Okay, it's good. Now we select these two and then make them fragment to create this effect. Now bring it to up, and then we need to color this all black, and then we need to do some modification. We need to give it some upper shadows, top, and then we need to increase the size of the shadow to be visible. Okay, it's good. Let's go with here, it's good. And then we also want to give it some glow. It's good. Now we copy the text, paste it here, copy this slide, we select this to bring them down, and just simply paste the text here. For the text, use Overdrive Sunset as a font, and it has nothing special. Let's start. You see, it's looking great. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.